Action!
The fourth grade girl named Haley loved to write stories by her head. She usually wrote it with mechanical pencils, but the fourth grade boy named Daniel liked to write essay homework with pencil. One day, the two met at school and became partners.
Pencil is better. No, mechanical pencil is better.
They always fought with what to use on the work that both had to participate. Since the writing is so different that it's written by mechanical pencil and pencils, it was always noisy in their seats.
Haley, come here and work. Like this.
Finally, the two had to hand in the work separately. Haley used with mechanical pencil, which made the work look clean. By the way, Daniel's work had pencils everywhere. When he used pencil and didn't clean them while working, pencils made scratches to his work everywhere. Some pencils were too strong and couldn't get erased. Everyone was nervous and curious what work that the teachers will pick for the better work between the two. Whose project will win and lose?
The winner is
Haley. After Haley was winner, they had to stop.
mechanical pencil is better. I agree that mechanical pencils are better than pencils.